Hey, what's up guys? Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, I want to go over some upcoming things coming to the Pangolin. I got the okay from support to go ahead and share this with you guys. They say, here is a preview on the app update coming this week. For the update changelog, they are adding a language selector under settings, added traditional Chinese and Japanese as language options. The homepage now tells you if your Pangolin is offline. Relevant save buttons and switches should now be disabled when your Pangolin is offline. Buttons and switches go transparent and are disabled while they talk to the Pangolin. Pangolin update notifications when there is a device update available. And your session is now saved even if you close the app and reopen it. So that way you don't have to keep typing in your username and password every time that you open up the app. They disabled zooming, so you cannot zoom anymore. And the Pangolin device is ordered by name for accounts with multiple devices. So if you have multiple Pangolins on your account, it will be ordered by its name. So that is basically 9 things that Pangolin is already updating, and these guys are like coding ninjas, jumping forth with newer updates and feature sets as fast as they can on this device. Again, this thing is really cool. I use it for my kids, and even if you have an advanced network like I do, using a full Ubiquiti Unify ecosystem, you can actually nest your security with this. And what I mean by that is you can have intrusion detection and prevention services turned on the Ubiquiti, as well as run this device. So if anything does slip through Ubiquiti's system, then this as a secondary layer for network security to the network might be able to go ahead and prevent that attack as well. Again, I want to thank everybody over at Pangolin for developing such a device. This is totally awesome. And if you didn't catch in the other videos, I did pay for this with my own money, and I do feel it is of a good value. I do not get paid anything for talking about this, at least not yet. So anyways, it's a great device, and thank you for watching.